Okay, you know that frustration, right? You're out living your life, doing something awesome, maybe with your kids, hitting the trails, or just chilling with your pet, and you think, man, I wish I could capture this exactly as I see it, but without a massive camera in the way, or fumbling with my phone. Well, forget those clunky action cams that feel like a brick, or the cheap alternatives that promise the world, but deliver shaky, grainy footage and die after 20 minutes. We've all been there, bought those flimsy pieces of plastic that fall apart the second they get a bit wet or take a tumble. This is different. This tiny thing, the Insta360 Go 3S, is like having a fly on the wall that shoots in crisp 4K. It's ridiculously small, seriously, thumb-sized, and it weighs practically nothing. You can literally stick it anywhere, on your shirt, your pet's collar, your bike helmet, and get these insane, truly hands-free POVs with absolutely no distortion thanks to that new Mega View lens. And the footage? Smooth. I'm talking gimbal-level flow state stabilization. No more bouncy, seasick-inducing videos. Plus, the action pod it comes with is a game changer. You get a huge flip screen, remote control, live preview, and it charges the camera, giving you up to 140 minutes of battery life. Think about that, almost 2.5 hours without a charge. It's also rugged, waterproof down to 10 meters on its own. And you can even take it diving if you get the case. No more worrying about a splash ruining your whole day. This isn't just about recording, it's about experiencing. It's about getting those authentic, candid moments you always miss because you're too busy holding a phone. It even has AI editing that finds your highlights and cuts them to music, so sharing your adventures is ridiculously easy. It frees you up to just be in the moment, knowing you're capturing it perfectly. It genuinely removes the friction from getting incredible footage. So, is it worth it? When you factor in the build quality, the insane stabilization, the 4K clarity, and the sheer versatility of being able to mount it anywhere to capture angles no other camera can. It's not just a gadget, it's an investment in actually preserving your memories in a way that truly reflects how you experience them. You get flagship features in a package that fits in your pocket, and that, my friends, is priceless. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.